Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. The Winter Boxyluxe has arrived. I did receive this last week. I did not have a chance to film my unboxing until today, so if you would like to see me open this up and show you what's inside, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. For anyone who does not know, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products sent to your house for only $21 a month. I actually think the price might have gone up to $22 due to like cyber tax or whatever that is. But anyway, what I have to show you guys today is the BoxyLuxe, which is a quarterly upgrade that BoxyCharm offers. If you're an active member, you pay the $22 a month for your box, plus an additional $28 to total $50. You pay $50 for this box, and it comes with, I have 9 items in my box. Okay, Joey. It's okay, bud. It's all right. I know. All right. It's all good. Good boy. Good boy. You burping? You're disgusting.
You're disgusting, but I love you. Yeah.
Okay, so my box came with 9 items. I'm going to include the prices when I speak about the different items so you can get the total amount that was sent to me in the box. So let's see. I actually did already go in and look at what I got, but you can see this box is huge. So let's open her up. Let's show you what came in the box. My box is variation number 2. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the theme for this month is 'Tis the Season, SEASUN. I don't know, I was kind of confused about that considering it's winter, but it almost has like a tropical vibe to it. I don't get that, but either way. So let's talk about this first. This is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. This comes with 8 brushes. There's a blending brush, there's a highlighting brush, tapered blending. There's a few more. There's even a lip brush in here and a spoolie. So that's what this looks like. I need you guys to comment down below and tell me if your Luxie brush set smells like paint thinner. Like honestly, when I opened this, I was like, I didn't go in and sniff the brushes, but when I opened it, I got a huge whiff of paint thinner. And then even when I get up close to the brushes, they smell like noticeably. So I'm curious, does anybody else experience this with their brushes? I don't get that at all, but leave a comment down below if you've experienced the same thing opening your BoxyCharm, these brushes. This actually retails for $65. Next, we have an item from Tarte. This is the Glitter Lip Paint. This retails for $20. Mine came in the shade Strike Gold. So here's what it looks like. And I'm not gonna do any swatches. I might end up giving that away in a future giveaway. Next is an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. This is the Pro HG palette. This retails for $45. So here's what the palette looks like outside of the box. And if I open it up, these are what the shades look like. It's pretty. It has a nice big mirror. Let's do some swatches. So those are a few of the shades from the palette. The next product is from a brand called Spongelle. It's a body wash infused buffer. This retails for $20. It smells good. I don't know. I'm not thrilled about this, but I'll try it. I've never tried anything like it before, so we'll see. Next is from the brand Elemis. This is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Guys, this retails for $89. Okay, so this is the highest ticket item that came in the box. It's nice packaging. Better be for $89. And then when I open it up, it's just a like white face cream. It doesn't have a strong smell at all. It smells pleasant. So we shall see if I like that. The next item is from Wander Beauty. This is a blush and highlight palette. It's called Dusk to Dawn. This retails for $26. It is apparently a BoxyCharm exclusive. Looks like this. This is also something I'm not thrilled about. The shades are pretty, but I guess I'm not a fan of the way these pans are. Like, how am I supposed to fit a blush brush in there? I don't know, so we'll see. I guess as long as they perform well, I will be satisfied with that. We're almost all the way through, guys. The next item is from Lorac. This is their Pro Pomade Mascara. This retails for $24. Next is from a brand called PYT. This is a mini hair straightener. This retails for $75. Here's what it looks like. I love the color. It's a matte yellow, like a neon yellow color. But honest to God, $75 for a mini hair straightener? No. I'm really trying not to complain here, guys. I'm not a negative person, but to me, the value of this box, I feel like, have you guys ever seen, I forget who it is, but I watched a video on YouTube not that long ago. It was this girl who subscribed to, you know, different subscription boxes, and she kind of started questioning the actual value of these products. And I forget if it was Ipsy or I'll try and find it and leave it linked down below. But anyway, what the point of it was that she did not believe that the prices that they were providing on these little cards were actually accurate. She figured that they were like upselling them, putting a different price on here to make you think that the value was more than what it actually was. And a few of them actually turned out to be true. I just truly cannot imagine. I would never in my life pay $75 for a mini flat iron. It's one thing if you're getting like a quality, like actually I think the flat iron that I have, I forget what brand it is, but I'm pretty sure I paid like over $100 for it, because I thought like it's definitely worth investing in a hair tool. If you pay a lot, typically you will get a much higher quality product, and they're made with more quality parts. But this to me just seems ridiculous. That's all I can really say. It just seems ridiculous. Last thing is from Crimes of Beauty. This is a wristlet and a portable charger. Cute. It's like a faux leather. It says Glam AF. That's cute to throw like your makeup in. Maybe when you travel, you can put your brushes in here. And then this is the portable charger. So I'll be using this. I actually don't have one. I've always wanted one. It comes with a little plug in the bag. But that's cute. Do I think that this was a good value? Absolutely. I mean, if you add up the total of the products, I'm gonna leave that on the screen right here. You can see that I got well worth what I paid for it. I was less than thrilled with a few of the items, but that, you know, when you add everything up, you cannot complain about paying $50 and getting so many high-end products in here. So I probably will end up getting the Spring Boxyluxe, but you'll have to stay tuned to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video, and I will see you next time. Bye.